Hello guys, today we're going to be looking at 16th notes, but tying. So tying 16th notes together. We've seen this before with eighth notes and also quarter notes. And half notes, whole notes, you can tie any note together. But when we start tying 16th notes, this is when you start creating some super complex rhythms. This is about as hard as it gets when you start moving fast and you start tying these guys together. So let's take this cliche here, the first one, tie it with this second one, and see what that would sound like. So let's just draw it. Okay, so this is a one beat cliche. Alright, so that's our one. Then we would have this cliche in the second beat. Okay, so that would be 2. But instead of having a 16th here and a 16th here, we want to tie these together to create an eighth note. Right? So we would just do this. So now these two are 1. So this would sound like this. Ta 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 rest. So ta 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 rest. So ta 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 rest. Ta 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 rest. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, and there's no sense to tie this cliche to this cliche because there's 2 rests. It's just implied. They're going to tie together anyway. Alright, so normally it's just going to be whenever the last note and the first note of the next cliche, the second cliche, are the same, because remember, it has to be the same note value, the same duration. You can't tie a 16th note to an eighth note or something like this. That is way too confusing. We have cliches made for that situation. So this one and this one we could tie together. So let's see what that sounds like. 16th rest, 3 16ths. Chum, 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 shoop, shoop. Alright, we're going to tie it with this wild bill. Okay, so right here, tie that together. So this would be like rest, ta, 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 rest, rest, ta. 3, 4, rest, ta, 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 rest, rest, ta. Again, rest, ta, 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 rest, rest, ta. Without the rest, ta, 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 ta. Let's try another one. Let's try, this is a cool one. Let's do this one and tie it to this one. We can do that because this one ends with an eighth and this one begins with an eighth. So since they're the same duration, notation, like note value, we can do it. So we got 2 16ths and an eighth. Alright. And we know that's an eighth because there's only one line here. And here we have 2. Okay, now we're going to, this one. 2 16ths at the end. And we can tie these together because they're both eighths. This would be like this. Ta, 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 ta. Ta, 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 ta. Ta 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 ta. All right, let's try this one with this one. All right, so we have a 16th with an eighth and a 16th. We know that because we haven't connected it here. So 2, then just the 1, and then 2 here. We have a 16th rest with 2 16ths. These are both 16ths, so we can connect them. Alright, so slowly this would be ta 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 rest ta 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 rest ta 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 rest ta ta. So cool, man. All right, let's just do 2 more. Let's do 2 more. Let's do this one. This guy. We got an 8th rest, 2 16th notes. Then we've got 3 16th notes with a rest. Okay, so now we're going to tie these 2 together, and this will sound something like this. So rest, ta 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 rest, rest, ta 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 rest, rest, ta 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 rest. So rest, ta 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 rest, rest, ta ta rest rest. Sorry, rest, ta 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 rest, rest, ta 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 rest, rest, ta 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 rest, ta 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 ta. Let's try one more, but let's link 3 cliches together, tying all 3 together. Yeah. So here we have 3 16th note 1 beat cliches tied together. So you can see this one here is our first one. This guy here is this one right there. And then we've got my favorite old Wild Bill right here. So without time, because once you start tying like a lot of cliches together, maybe it's good to first do the cliches by themselves without tying them, just to get a feel for them, and then tie them together. So this would be like ta 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 rest ta 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 ta. So ta 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 rest ta 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 rest rest ta. Tied together, nice and slow. Ta 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 rest ta ta rest rest ta. Ta 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 rest ta ta rest rest ta. Ta 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 rest ta ta rest rest ta. Ta 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 rest ta ta rest rest ta. Ta 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 rest ta ta rest rest ta 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 rest ta ta rest rest ta. Without the rests, without saying the rest, ta 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 ta. Okay. I'll see you at the 16th note tying dictation.